Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School, Class 7, Subject English. Happy morning, students. How are you all? In last class, we saw a prose story, The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. This story is a Japanese tale. Based on that story, today we are going to write the classwork note. Yes, take your English classwork note and write the index page. Write the topic name, the ashes that made trees bloom, and also write the serial number 10. Now take a fresh page and write the title name in the top of the page. The ashes that made trees bloom, and draw a double line for the topic. Now we are moving to the mind map. Draw mind map using the pencil and use black and blue pen for writing. The ashes that made trees bloom. They had a pet dog and they had no child. The old man was a farmer. The dog was called Mukku. They loved the dog as if were a baby. Once there lived an old couple. Now we are moving to the meanings. First one is dame, woman, feast, banquet, stuck, trust, sensitive, responsive, dentist, tasty things. Then we move to the antonyms. First one is remaining, forget, disperse, gather, loyal, disloyal, stop, start, reward, punish. Now we are moving to the making the sentence. In this part, we give some words. You should make sentence using these words. The first word is cake. Would you like some more cake? In this sentence, we also use the word cake. Second sentence is wife. Your wife is made at you. Here, wife is used in this sentence. The third one is leader. He is a potential leader. In this sentence, we used leader. Train. I missed my usual train. Collar. I need a shirt with a stiff collar. Yes. Now we move to the phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. A verb that is combined with an verb or a preposition or sometime both. Here these are the phrasal verbs are used in this lesson. Pick up, turn up, out of, cut down, turn into. Now we move to the short answer. The first question is, what did the kind farmer do with the money he made from the gold? The kind farmer brought a piece piece of land, hosted a feast for his friends and helped his poor neighbors. The second question is, how did the daimyos reward the kind farmer? The answer is, the daimyo was pleased seeing the magic of the withered cherry tree bursting into blooms. So he rewarded the kind farmer with many gifts. Now we are moving to the third part. Third question. What did the leader of the van do with the kind old man? The answer is, the leader of the van allowed the old man to remain seated at the cherry tree, considering him to be very old. The fourth question is, why did the wicked couple drop their tools? The answer is, the wicked couples found the foul smell of the dead kitten unbearable, so they dropped their tools. The fifth question is, how did the wicked couple behave with the dogs passing by their house? The answer is, the wicked couple always used to nick and scold the dogs passing by their house. At last, we move to the answering paragraph. The question is, explain 3 ways in which the dog helped his master. The answer is, the dog, when he was alive, guided his master to a heap of gold. After his death, he asked his master to prepare a mortar and a mill from the woods of the pine tree. While making the rice, pastries, and bean sauce during the new year using the mortar and the mill, the kind old couple again found the duff to be turned into gold coins and gold dripping out from every drop of the sauce. The dog then asked the master to collect the ashes of the mortar and mill and sprinkle over the withered trees. The withered trees sprouted into blooms immediately with the magic. Yes, students, that's all. You should write these things in your English classwork note. First, you should write the mind map, then synonyms, antonyms, jumbled words, phrasal verbs, short answer, long answer. These are the things you are going to write in your English classwork note. Yes, we also attached PDF along with this video. You download that PDF and write your English classwork note with neat and clean handwriting with correct spelling. You should bring your note while you come to the school. Yes, Thank you, students.